Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about divide and conquer algorithm in algorithm section. Here are the selection sort, the insertion sort, the merge sort and the quick sort algorithm. By this diagram you can easily understand about the values of are given in this table of selection sort, insert and merge and also the quick sort. Divide and conquer means to break a problem into subproblems that are similar to the original problems and then recursively solve the subproblems and finally combines them is known as divide and conquer method. This divide and conquer is very important for examination point of view. This one is the diagram of divide and conquer section. In this section you can see that here first of all we have the problem, then we divided the problem into two subproblems and then subproblems are solution, then the solution of two subproblems combine, and that's why how we can get the solution of the total problems, and that is how the divide and conquer works. In divide and conquer algorithm, here some points are declared. Here we have discussed about the merge sort. The set of cardinally greater than 1 are decomposed into two equal subsets, then the algorithm is invoked into subsets and or the subsets are merged, then it is known as the merge sort. That means first of all we divided the problem into two parts and then combine them with the solution. That's how the sort is known as the merge sort. And the quick sort, here some point of views for quick sort. The solution t to the power tn, which is the time, is O n log n, and the worst case, the time complexity of this algorithm is O n square, which is very important for examination in whiteboard. So please study those two lines about merge sort and this line for the quick sort section. In this closest pairs section, the closest points or dots are situated in closer section. Those two dots are closer, those are closer, and those are also in the closest pair section.